Good morning, happy Sunday. Happy wherever day it is when you're watching this. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Irene. If you're new here, if you're not new, you've been here maybe once, twice, or all the time. Thank you for always being here. Thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for always supporting me. Before we go on, please like, press like there, and then let's continue. So today is Sunday. I just ended my previous vlog. I want to strip my bed, uh, also make the bed, and then also go clean the house, also some utensils. Yeah, I had planned to actually do laundry, lakini sasa lights went, so that was Jarudi. I'm expecting if they don't come back, nitafua another day. If they come back, I'll do laundry today. So that's the plan of the day. This is how it's looking. I want to strip this off. Then I'll do laundry maybe another day. Stima bado ijarudi. It's around 4 p.m. So I decided to clean the fridge as well because nitapata time ingine wapi when there are no lights. So this is me trying to clean it as fast as I can before zirudi because I'm hearing zinarudi by 5. The problem is I filmed I think like 2 minutes or a minute or so, and then my phone died. So I'll just show you the outcome. But ilingara, that was the most important part.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love.
Good morning, my lovelies. Today is Tuesday. I want to show you my outfit of the day. I am so ready for this day. I have even put on just like a little makeup, and done my eyebrows. I've also um, dabbed a little like lipstick. I want to head out. I am heading to work. So, but first things first, I'll show you my outfit, and then I also show you what I'm having for breakfast, and then I should be able to come back for lunch. I'm not sure if I'll eat lunch out or here, but if I eat lunch here at home, I'll be able to show you what I'm having, and then probably edit this um vlog for it to be ready for you guys to watch tomorrow. So yeah, let's let me show you the outfit. So these are my shoes. This is what I'm going to wear. White sneakers, and let me show you the outfit. Not sure if it will be clear. It's a bit dark. This is how it looks like a kahai look. Yeah, there you go. But anyway, I might get like the tripod so that I can show you properly if this doesn't turn out the way I'm thinking it will turn out. But this is the outfit. Expecting it to look chic.
Yeah, yeah.
You've got a piece of me, and honestly, my life wouldn't be the same without you. And babe, we're not just friends, are we more than friends? We just have an end on you. You think I'm stone cold, tripping, man, I'm sick of being teased. I just wanna below, yeah. Don't lie to me, no, no. Don't lie to me, don't lie to me, don't lie to me, no, no. Don't lie to me, no, no. Don't lie to me, no. She moves like a dancing queen. She's attending for wings, and all this under my eyes. Please, babe, don't make them move with your eyes. Shut the past is past, but my love still doesn't go away. Don't lie to me about your dreams, about falling in love. What makes you happy, what makes you drown, but what you want.
Hi guys, I am just back from work. I've not had time to edit this vlog, so I want to take a shower first and then edit while I am having my dinner, and then you will have it probably tonight or tomorrow. Yeah, that's the plan. So I want to take a shower first and then I can edit it. Then by tomorrow you should be having the vlog. Yeah. I'm also looking forward to Sunday's vlog, but anyway, stay tuned. I'm sure you will be able to see what we'll be up to over the weekend or from Friday through to Sunday. Yeah, that's the plan. And if you've reached here, thank you so much for supporting. Thank you for liking the video. If you've not liked it, please go back and like. If you've not subscribed, go back and subscribe. I really appreciate your support, guys. Till the next one, bye.